What's up, guys? Kinava here to talk about that thing we all love but never give enough credits for.
Sound design.
I'm doing this video because I joined a competition organized by my friends from Game Audio Academy in Brazil. They challenged me to develop a few sounds for an upcoming game called Lad Rider, followed by a video showing how the process worked, and finally post the results on social media. So let's get to it! So the first thing I did after watching the video that was sent to me, and since it's not a large project, was organize my DAW, on my case Logic Pro 10, and create groups to each asset or scene. After that, I think about all the layers that each asset requires and include each one of them on the project. As it's all done, I will go after the samples. To this project, I basically rely upon samples I got from Soundly, an amazing library that contains high quality sounds for us to mess around with. I also used sounds from my personal library and did a couple of voiceovers.
Ugh. Ugh.
I used many techniques to reach the sounds I wanted. For example, the vast majority of them were pitch shift, EQ'd, and compressed for better dynamics. Panning is also very important if you want to give a realistic touch. Something to keep in mind is that it is the sound designer's responsibility to create and enhance experiences through sound. As any other artist, the sound designer needs to bring the player to the world virtually created, and although sometimes a simplistic approach translates what happens in the screens and does the job, there is no doubt that adding layers of sounds that are completely away from the traditional increases the experience of the gameplay. Pitch shifting, delays, reverbs are efficient methods to get these unrealistic sounds. But another one is called Ring Shift on Logic Pro 10. Through this plugin, you are able to add frequencies to a sound and manipulate it with some specific parameters and effects. So let's take a look at the results. I will play the video synced with the sound effects I created, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye bye, stay safe, stay home.